This is the ice cream for bears home delivery. This is what it looks like when they send you a package here. They send it, they keep frozen, has dry ice inside here. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I order pretty much 10 pints at a time. Once you order the 10 pints, it gives you the free shipping. But this is what you have right here. You get the stickers, and it just tells you a little bit about keep the dry ice away from kids and stuff like that. But let's open it up and see inside. It's like a styrofoam cooler in here. You open it up here, and this is a 10 pack. So this is what it looks like when you get the 10 of them inside here. This is a new flavor they have here. It's the raw orange cream flavor. This is the orange vanilla. I have not tried this one. This looks like a really great flavor. It looks like it's pretty new. Similar to the other ones, all natural ingredients. This company uses really good ingredients. They sweeten everything with the raw honey. So let's see what else we have in here. See inside here. Then you have the 9 underneath here. So then I just got a mixture of the more orange here. I got a couple of the Chocturnal ones. That's the chocolate one, very good. And then this one here, this mint to be. So I got those 3 flavors: orange, chocolate, and the mint to be. This one is really great. They just actually switched up the ingredients on here. I think it's a little more minty, a little more chocolatey, a little less minty. It's just got really good stuff in here. You can see the ingredient list here. It's got dates in here, cacao, coconut oil, and the peppermint oil. Again, 720 calories for this whole container here. We usually split it into 2 servings, so we usually get 2 servings out of one of these containers. Plenty of serving size, really good stuff. But if you're interested in the ice cream for bears and they don't have it at a store near you, you could absolutely pick it up in one of these coolers, shipped to you, still frozen, no issues with that. Came very quickly, about 2 days, and just very pleased with this stuff. So definitely want to check it out if you're looking for some natural ice cream. The stuff is great.